Bitcoin supported by the Fed. What's going on in the crypto market? You wanna know? Then smash the like button, cause it's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with your host for the most, Rodrigo Arnedo here. And today we have this nice piece of information: the idea that Jerome Powell and myself, we are holding Bitcoin price, because this guy said that the Fed is not going to do anything with the rates, and that was a good thing for the market. Allegedly, I nailed it once more, almost exactly, with dollar price action. Remember, I'm not expert, this is not financial advice, but even a broken clock gives you the right time twice a day. So I nailed it here, Bitcoin and also stock market up, because dollar went down after this communication from Jerome Powell. You can see here the stock market in United States, also Bitcoin going up with the green and red candles. And today, Asia in the orange going a little bit down, and Bitcoin wants to keep on going higher. We had yesterday a $6,000 week daily candle for Bitcoin, but on the Standard & Poor's 500, you can see that we have some all-time highs. We broke above 5,200 for the first time in history after the Fed left rates unchanged. This puts the index up a massive 1,100 points from its October 2023 low. The historic rack continues for Bitcoin, also for the stock market. And remember, we told you in a year of elections in United States, you see the last time we had that, we also have here the pandemic, but we might keep on going higher on the stock market also because of those elections. And again, Bitcoin had a crazy back over to $68,000 with a massive 6,000 green candle, the biggest daily increase since February 2021. Congratulations to everybody that hold there, maybe even for the people that nail it buying in the dip. Good thing. And right now, fighting with that $69,000 line again, 68, 69. We'll see about that. The market is in red and green. The bubbles mostly in the green. Meme coins, AI-related crypto projects too. And the market still in extreme greed. No wonder in Argentina, because of the devaluation of the currency and inflation in 276%. So we have record in the volume in the purchases that we have in the weekly in 20 months for Argentinian people. So high from here, keep on holding there your Bitcoin, because you have to consider news like this. We have been 3 days in a row in a bad color, red color. If we consider how many ETFs is sold and how many are bought out there, grayscale versus the 9, and you can see 3 days in a row is not usual. We just had that once before, and Bitcoin price doesn't care whatsoever. Now you have to follow this guy 10100, because he has this amazing chart where you can see price action for Bitcoin with the result of the day. What happens when we have reds, what happens when we have greens. Even though you can see this is not like a definitive chart pattern, but it's very interesting. I'm gonna leave you this link in the description below so you can check this every day easily. What about Ethereum? We thought we were going to touch 3,000. We didn't go that far, and we are also up like crazy from 3,054. We were wrong for $50 to right now 3,700. Awesome. We are broken this line right now. And even better is knowing this when we had this piece of information yesterday. The SEC is after, allegedly, Ethereum. They subpoenaed them. They are asking for information. They are running an investigation. So should be worried that the Ethereum Foundation is under investigation. Are they going to call them a security? Some believe that, and some believe that this is not the case. It's extremely common for cryptocurrency protocol foundations to receive voluntary requests for information from federal and state regulators. Subpoenas are normal as the sunrise for a crypto organization. In other words, according to this lawyer, there is no reason to panic about the latest development, and it probably stems from a normal request for information exchange. But community a little bit concerned about all this. Any case, some other don't, like this guy Emperor saying, well, Ethereum is going to be investigated by the SEC, and what will happen? Well, Vitalik, in the worst scenario, will pay a fine that he earns while he's afternoon napping. He will say, sorry, my bad, and the market will continue pumping. The fact is, Ethereum already is pumping, even though we have this. And you might consider RSI for Ethereum. We don't usually comment this, but Matthew Hyland telling us here that the daily RSI reached the lowest level since price was at 2,200. You can see here that when this happened, we were up for a nice run. So we will follow this and see if we go all the way up. Also consider yesterday news that massive adoption alert, $10 trillion BlackRock wants to launch a tokenized fund. We told you in previous video, watch them all. Do not miss just a single one of them. And remember to smash the like button. Thank you very much. Back to Bitcoin. Remember in that video, we were considering if this crisis, this dip, was going to last 14 days or 63. It seems we are closer to the 14 scenario, but we'll see about that. Also, Yoda here telling us that we are just retesting the all-time high as we did in 2015, 2017. That would be nice. And let's review this chart, one of my favorite ones. We've been using this for like months, maybe a year now. And remember, this is the comparison with the chart right now in price action for Bitcoin with the price action for Bitcoin we had in 2016 and 17 in that amazing bull run. So right now you can see we are better than at that point. We are higher. And I might consider the situation with this point here. We are really, really close to the level. So maybe we just missed this point here. Remember, things are getting crazy because we do stuff before halving that is supposed to happen after the halving. So maybe we are just here. If that's so, we might go deeper a little bit. We'll see about that. Remember the danger zone and what's that video. It might happen. But in the long run, we have a lot of variables telling us that we might go higher. Again, this is not financial advice whatsoever. But consider that on March 2024, when we were at 63, we were like, oh my God, we are at 63. Yesterday, we went to 63 and we are like, oh my God, we are in 63. It's a good thing. It's not $2,000. It's 63,000. I believe it's amazing. And also, if you want to FOMO more, you can see that we have a lot of liquidation spending on $75,000. So if we go there, $5 billion worth of Bitcoin shorts will be liquidated. So remember that the manipulation on the market makes this kind of movement. So I expect $75,000 eventually. We'll see. Right now, we need to keep on going higher. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. The market is doing okay. And also some crazy cryptocurrencies out there, like, for example, the Reddit coin. There is no Reddit coin, but Reddit went IPO, like Pompliano's telling us here. It went public. It's good for Reddit, of course, but they have no cryptocurrency related, so do not be tricked. Remember, you can learn all about that on dextools.io, link in the description below. And sorry for that. And of course, I went today there and I tried to find Reddit, and you have thousands and thousands of cryptocurrencies called Reddit. So be careful. Even if you have a 99 score, which is a very good thing, you have to consider that maybe, the smart contract may be legit in some aspects, but you have to consider that there's no Reddit cryptocurrency. So this is not something created by the team. And you need to be aware of that. There's not also a grok cryptocurrency out there or things like that. Donald Trump doesn't have a cryptocurrency either. So again, be careful with that and keep on learning with dextools.io. We'll see the chart of Reddit, one of the 800 projects out there, how it goes in the future. And today I have to tell you also this maybe bad news that Starbucks saying goodbye to the NFTs reward programs, the Fidelity program, even though they are going to Nifty and you can keep on going there, but they are closing their own Starbucks. So maybe, well, NFTs right now a little bit cold, but maybe in the future all these things will be hot again. Maybe those initiatives were too early in time. We'll see about that in the future. And today, very good news from our partner Treasure. From today, you can do all your transactions, storage, etc. from Matic on your Treasure suite. So now use your Treasure to store and manage all tokens supported on the Polygon POS network. Amazing, amazing stuff. So if you want your money to work for you there on Polygon, create some staking or move some tokens, you can do that with the Cold Wallet. Use the link in the description below and you help us a lot. Thank you very much. Remember, we have a video, a dedicated one. Just go to the search box, type Treasure there, and you have the video so you learn how to buy it and how to use it for free. And what about Bybit Card? Well, we told you we have a dedicated video about Google Pay. So convenient right now. I'm using it all the time. And I'm using it because they are celebrating the first anniversary, just 16 days. Today, I'm going to reach 300 euros spent in the crypto card. So I'm going to spin and I will see, I will record if I get one of these prizes or not. Remember, you have the link in the description below and you can get 25 euros if you use that link. Also, during this month of March, you might earn 7% cash back if you use Stone, the Telegram cryptocurrency, with your debit card. What about crypto market in the animal section? Well, this is a normal day in the crypto market. You open your tent and you find a bear. Another day, you find a bull. Crazy stuff. Like crazy is this recording about this cat hungry for Bitcoin and more crypto news. Interesting to see how he's learning out there. And what about this guy just resting because of his feeling? This is so much information. This guy just relaxing, chilling, because he knows that Bitcoin eventually will go higher and he will be ready for that. As you are, because you keep on learning about artificial intelligence and technology with AI news. Watch the last video. We are close to 4,000 subscribers. Thank you very much to all of you that subscribe, that use the bell there for notifications, that share this information with your friends and people learning with crypto on these two videos of, or maybe one other of the 1,800 videos we have out there. Remember, we are researching already, and tomorrow you have a new crypto news here with Rodrigo Arnedo. Health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!